Ndewo no, ndenwe m na ndenwe. Welcome to my Igbo lesson class, where you learn and speak Igbo like a pro. In Igbo, we usually greet before introducing ourselves. For example, Ndewo is the first thing you greet. Ndewo, Ndewo. Ndewo is like, hi, hi, Ndewo. Say Ndewo. Good one. The next one is ụtụtụ ọma. Say ụtụtụ ọma. Say it again. Ụtụtụ ọma. Beautiful. Ụtụtụ ọma simply means good morning. Ụtụtụ is morning. Ọma is good. You now have ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. We also have ehihie ọma. Oya, say it after me. Say ehihie ọma. Good. Say it again. Ehihie ọma. Good. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Ehihie is afternoon. Ọma is good. We have mgbede ọma. Say mgbede ọma. Again, say mgbede ọma. Beautiful. Mgbede ọma is good evening. Mgbede is evening. Ọma is good. We also greet good night. Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma is good night. Abalị is night. Ọma is good. Mgbede is different from abalị. Mgbede is evening. Abalị is night. So you can say mgbede ọma, good evening. You can also say abalị ọma, which is good night. You can also say kachifo. Kachifo. Oya, say it. Kachifo. Yes, you got it. Kachifo is good night. When somebody tells you kachifo, you say kobo. Your reply will be what? Say it. Kobo. Again. Kobo. Beautiful. Introducing yourself in Igbo language is like, for example, I am seeing you for the first time and I want to introduce myself to you. I'll be the first to say my name. I will say Ahambo. I will now add my name to Ahambo. And I will ask you in return, Gini bụ aha gị? Gini bụ aha gị? And you will reply me, Ahambo. You now add your own name. Do you understand? Ahambo. You now add your own name. It's as simple as that. In Igbo, Ahambo simply means my name is. Then, Gini bụ aha gị simply means what is your name? Ahambo. Oya, say Ahambo. Good. Ahambo is my name is. Then, when you ask the person, what is your name? You're asking the person, Gini bụ aha gị? Gini bụ aha gị simply means, what is your name? What is your name? Gini bụ aha gị? What is your name? Gini bụ aha gị? Aha m bụ. My name is. Aha m bụ. My name is. It's as simple as that. The next step is knowing where you're from. Me, I will be like, abụ m onye Abia State. Ị bụ onye ebe? Then, you will now reply me, abụ m onye Enugu State. Abụ m onye Ghana. Abụ m onye Australia. It depends on where you are from. Let's go. Abụ m onye Abia State. Ị bụ onye ebe? I am expecting you to say exactly what I just said earlier. Abụ m onye Abia State. Ị bụ onye ebe? You will now reply me, abụ m onye Enugu. If you're from Enugu, you say, abụ m onye Enugu. What does this mean? The first one is, I am from Abia State. Where are you from? You will now tell me, I am from Enugu State. It's as simple as that. After introducing yourselves, you will now say, Obi dị m ụtọ izute gị. Obi dị m ụtọ izute gị. What does it mean? It simply means I am happy to meet you. Nice meeting you. Do you understand? Good. Having said that, we are going to run through our lesson for today once again. Remember that I started by teaching you what Ndewo is. Ndewo is hi. Ụtụtụ ọma is good morning. Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Mgbede ọma is good evening. Abalị ọma is good night. Kachifo is also good night. Then, when somebody tells you kachifo, you say kobo. Kobo is like, I wish to see you again in the morning. Then we also learned about self-introduction. When you see someone for the first time, you say Ndewo. Aha m bụ Chidimma. You also tell me Ndewo. Aha m bụ Onyekachi. Then I will tell you, abụ m onye Abia State. Ị bụ onye ebe? You will tell me, abụ m onye Enugu State. Do you remember? Abụ m onye Enugu State. I'll be like, nice meeting you. I'll be like, obi dị m ụtọ izute gị, meaning, nice to meet you. I am happy to see you. That is what it means, and that is what we learned for today. Don't forget, Ndewo. Aha m bụ. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Abụ m onye Abia State. Ị bụ onye ebe? Do you understand? Don't forget. Now, I want you to introduce yourself in Igbo language in the comment section. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I'll be in the comment section to read and to reply all your messages. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And God bless you. Till when next we see. Bye-bye.